SGT Times, bringing news from campus bars to the world. I am Ishita Sharma. Here's what's making headlines. Delhi gears up for election tomorrow. SGT Chancellor honoured with Padma Bhushan. SGT Dental Esperanza 2025 concludes with enthusiastic participation. SGT Noida Alumni Meet chapter brings nostalgia and networking. SGT University celebrates Vasant Panchami with devotion. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Tomorrow is a big day for Delhi as voters head to the polls for the Delhi Assembly Election 2025. With over 1.56 crore registered voters and a three-way contest between AAP, BJP and Congress, all eyes are on this crucial political battle. We will tell you everything you need to know.
Delhi Election 2025 polling tomorrow. Delhi is all set for a high-stakes election tomorrow, February 5. With 1.56 crore voters, over 13,000 polling stations and massive security arrangements, the battle between AAP, BJP and Congress will shape the capital's future. Results will be out on February 8. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Big honours for SGT University. Our esteemed Chancellor Shri Bahadur has been awarded the prestigious Padma Bhushan for his immense contributions to journalism, education and literature. Leaders from across the country have poured in their wishes. We bring you to the details.
SGT Chancellor receives Padma Bhushan. Shri Bahadur, Chancellor of SGT University, has been honoured with the Padma Bhushan for his outstanding contributions to journalism, education and literature. Leaders, journalists and intellectuals have expressed their admiration, celebrating his legacy. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We will be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. Here's what's next in the news. The Faculty of Dental Sciences at SGT University recently hosted SGT Dental Esperanza 2025, a grand two-days event packed with academic, cultural and sports activities. With over 1,200 participants from 40+ dental colleges, the competition was fierce and the energy was high.
SGT Dental Esperanza 2025 concludes with enthusiasm. The SGT Dental Esperanza 2025 event wrapped up after 2 days of thrilling competitions in photography, debate, dance and sports. Over 1,200 students from 40+ dental colleges participated, making it a grand success. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
SGT University's Noida Alumni Meet wrapped up with nostalgia, networking and knowledge sharing. Esteemed alumni shared success stories inspiring the next generation.
SGT Alumni Meet celebrates success and connections. SGT University's Noida Alumni Meet brought together former students to share their success stories and network with faculty and peers. The event was filled with heartfelt moments and valuable industry insights. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
SGT University marked Vasant Panchami with a grand Saraswati Puja. Students, faculty and staff gathered to seek the goddess's blessings for wisdom and success. The vibrant celebrations reflected our deep cultural heritage.
Vasant Panchami celebrations at SGT University. SGT University celebrated Vasant Panchami with a traditional Saraswati Puja on campus. Students and faculty gathered to honor the goddess of wisdom, seeking blessings for academic excellence. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more news that matters.